Alrighty gang, good morning sunshine. So today I'm just gonna take you along with me and show you what I do for work. This is my full-time day job. I'm an order writer in Hawaii, and I'll show you guys what I do. So I have 5 stores that I go to, and that's my day. I just go to all those 5 stores and order, but I'm gonna show you what I order and what it consists of. So yeah, come with me and join me for my workday. So first thing I do when I come in the store, I just take a round and check all our products. So we're gonna go here. Oh, the food smells so good, but I'm not gonna buy anything. So I do ordering for the bread wall, but I'm not ordering that today, so I'm just gonna check if I need to add anything on the order, and that would be called like an add-on. So I'll check that. I also do the ordering for some of the donuts, the Hostess, and there. I check this. I also do the ordering for this. So most everything on this bread wall I order. Make sure we don't run out. I also do the ordering for the milk. Not all the milk, just some of the milk. So I gotta just make sure that it's not expired. If it is, I'll take it back and make sure that it's all good. Alrighty, so I make sure that our distress, I count that as well. And I'm also responsible for this wall here. The tortillas, it is looking good, but that's what I gotta order for this wall as well. So these are all our products. So when you buy these products, you are supporting our company as well. Well, I don't take care of those, but Sinaloa and Guerrero and Mission. Also do ordering for these chips. Alrighty gang, so that was like my work day, and I just well, that's not my whole work day, that's my first store. So I just do that at every store. My job is to make sure that we are stocked in the store. The shelves are stocked with our products. Make sure that I don't order like a lot and it doesn't sell, so I gotta try to keep the credits down as well. And what I mean by credits is the expired stuff that didn't sell. And yeah, so that's my job. But sometimes you can only guesstimate. You gotta guess, especially like when we have a sale, like we just had 4th of July sale and everybody like hot dogs and hamburger. But I've noticed that in Hawaii it's mostly hot dog they buy, like hot dog buns is more higher than the hamburger buns. But yeah, that's my first store, and I just continue to go to 4 more stores, and that's my day. That's my day. And Friday I'll take you guys along with me to come with me to my second job. And yeah, so I like my job. I don't know if I can go back to going into the office, like, and being full-time in an office. I like to drive, like it just makes my day go by faster. If I'm sitting in the desk at the office, it might be like, oh my god, it's only been an hour. Like, you know, we'll be waiting, like it's hard. But I don't know, maybe some days I just feel like not driving all over. But yeah, it's good for now. It's good. I also do the ordering for the hamakua macadamia nuts and this one here. You see that? I don't know, I never did taste this spam one, but I do the ordering for these. It's $11.99 for this. I also do the ordering for these hibiscus mint tea. This is really good. It's like $15. My green. I also ordered these two as well. Alrighty gang, so that was my work day. That's what I do every day that I go to this job. So I mean, I like it. I like my job. So it's hard to even find a job that you like, right? But yeah, so maybe because I don't have to go into a physical office every day and sit down at my desk and stuff like that. Maybe because I'm moving around and it makes it go faster the day. Some days it's like, oh my god, it's like it's already 8 hours past. Like so some days it just kind of like the time just flies. Some days the time is like slow, so it just depends. But it's really, I don't know, I like my job, so you can't beat that. But yeah, okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys take care, God bless, and I'll see you all in my next video. Mwah.